If you want to customize the lock screen on Realme Note 70T, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Open Settings, and then we're gonna go to Wallpaper and Style. And unfortunately, I have to say that there are not many options that allow us to customize the lock screen. We can, for example, go to Icons and Clock, and over here you should be able to find the clock color as well as the clock style. And these are pretty much the only two things that we can do on the lock screen. There is also the shortcut, or shortcuts actually. There are shortcuts in the lock screen that can also be customized. Over here we can go to shortcuts by, once again, from wallpaper and style we can go to lock screen over here. And of course you can find a bunch of different settings over here, but in terms of customizing the lock screen itself, there's only shortcuts left. And over here we can choose what should be assigned to these two buttons that we have at the bottom of the screen on left and right side. But that is essentially all you can do. Well, you can also change the wallpaper that we can do over here. And once you try to set up the wallpaper, if you choose set as, then of course we can choose to set it only for the lock screen, for example. So you will only update the lock screen wallpaper. And there is also the wallpaper carousel, which is a feature that changes the wallpaper in your lock screen every time you go to the lock screen. So if you are looking for that setting, then we can once again go to lock screen settings over here, and you should be able to find the wallpaper carousel where you can disable this feature. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.